I just want to let y'all know, this is not a vlog. This is simply me uploading something that I've been wanting to upload that means something to me, to y'all. Not a vlog. Hold up, let me pause the game. Y'all don't even understand how legendary this parkway is. Before I got hurt landing in the hospital month to month, week after week, problem after problem that I occurred before I cut my leg, before all that. I remember Wayne on that legendary parkway, him recording on United Trench Up, that was the name of the channel. Recorded him wheeling that whole parkway, one wheeling. Yeah, it's not long, but the parkway is very tricky, got a lot of turns. So I always wanted to do it on a dirt bike, especially when I crossed over from Banshee back to dirt bikes. I always wanted to do it. I always wanted to wheelie the whole parkway as like a proud tribute video to a living legend, you know what I'm saying? Did that after my accident. This was my first day riding after the accident. Like first day back on a bike that's on the streets. The first chance I got, when we got near West Baltimore, like we was going towards the junction, shit, I let that motherfucker rip. First gear, I looked back, made sure the 7 was recording. Yeah. The rest is history, as you see. I wheelied the whole parkway from beginning to end. It felt good, it felt great. After I wheelied the whole parkway, yeah, let's just say, you know, that my wheel fell off. But it could have fell off during me wheeling the whole parkway, which is a great thing. For the viewers, I appreciate y'all viewing it, I truly do. But can you guys please subscribe? We got more to show y'all, all types of things. I have my trucking business I want to show y'all with my moving and hauling freight across the country. Have my wife and I start up of that, the first 6 months of that. I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Original video is linked down below in the description. Detail Wheelie Wayne wheelies the whole Hilton Parkway. He did it in 2006. I wanted to remix it. I did it in 2021, 22. It was 2022. He did it with 2 legs. I did it with 1. I think it's dope. You know, it's not a competition thing. It's just something I wanted to remake. So again, do me a favor. Go down in the description below. Like that video. Comment on his United Trenches longest wheelie in Baltimore. This, when I say that this is Holy Grail video, that's the Holy Grail bike life video. 5XYT on the CR85 low wheel, 3rd gear mapping. And by the way, I was in 3rd gear also on my Banshee. But again, no competition.